Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide specific shipping based on date/day/time in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the date and time condition. So first, we'll search for date and time in the search bar and select it. Click Select Delete One combination to continue. Now you'll see two selection options. Weekly schedule. Specific date and time. When you select specific date and time, the rule will apply only once. You can also choose between two date types, single and range. Select either a single date or a date range depending on your needs. For this video, we will select If Found and select the weekly schedule, then select Saturday and Sunday. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add Express Shipping, which should be hidden Saturday and Sunday. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Express Shipping is visible because today is neither Saturday nor Sunday. Now we will go back to the rule, change the date to today's date, Wednesday, and set it accordingly. Then we will go to the checkout and check it again. As you can see, Express Shipping is now hidden because we've updated the rule date to Wednesday, which is today's date. That's it. This is how to hide specific shipping based on date/day/time. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!